Hello, my name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky and I specialize in medical hypnosis, guided imagery, nutrition and exercise. Today's health tip is entitled, Are You a Love Genius? Contrary to what everyone believes, it is not the heart where love takes place. I love you with all my heart, you're my dearest in my heart, etc. The feeling of love comes from the brain, because in the brain the chemicals are secreted, and we'll discuss that later. Everything that is going to be said today has been backed up by research. I'm not able to explain everything, but it has been researched. The first thing is love at first sight is correct. You can fall in love the minute a man and a woman meet each other, either simultaneously or one for the other. This is related to certain chemicals in the brain. Love can be addicting because, like OCD, there is a decrease in serotonin chemicals in the brain. However, when you are in love and you fall in love, adrenaline, noradrenaline, and dopamine are those chemicals that are stimulated when you fall in love with someone. Love does not always mean sex, although sex is usual when one is in love, but one can have a loving relationship without sex. There are certain odors that are present that can act like aphrodisiacs for both men and women. Those are called pheromones. Tests done amongst women who were given a t-shirt of a man who'd worked out, those females that enjoyed the odor of the sex were found to usually be ovulating and also had immune systems different to the male. The most chosen portion of a female's body that is attracted to the men is from the waist to the hip, not the breasts or the legs, although some are attracted to those parts of the anatomy. But research shows that it is the waist to hip measurement that is most attractive. A woman is most attracted to a man after he's been working out, as I said, with a sweat odor, and if he possesses a square jawbone. That was the most important anatomical area that females enjoyed about a man, not about his body or his physique, but if he had a square jawbone, was found to be the anatomical portion of the body that most attracted females. You know all the song, Be My Love, Buy Your Love. You don't have to buy your love. If one gives a gift now and then, it's fine, but it's not necessary to go out and buy gifts for people who you are in love with. The hormone that is the greatest aphrodisiac is testosterone. Although it's a male hormone, it acts as an aphrodisiac not only for a male, but also a female. The story about oysters and dark chocolate being aphrodisiacs have been found not to be true, and this was done by research. But the testosterone level in a person's blood did increase sexual desire, and in females we actually use low dose of the male hormone, testosterone, to increase their sexual desire. Kissing can be extremely powerful in a love relationship, and cuddling also, because there is fantastic bonding that takes place during kissing and cuddling. And it is again due to the adrenaline, norepinephrine, and adrenaline and noradrenaline that is secreted by the brain that causes that pleasant feeling. So cuddling is great to bond. And whether sex or takes place or it doesn't, it does not matter. It is the cuddling that is pleasant and leads to love. I am sure there are many other things I can talk about, but I am not a love expert, but I deal with patients who do have love issues, which brings them into the office with stress, anxiety, and depression, which we treat with hypnosis, etc. So my name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, and I thank you for listening to this health tip.